Welcome. In front of me is a Samsung Galaxy M52, and today I will show you how to put the device into safe mode. So to get started, you want to pull down your notification panel, expand it, and you'll see this power key right here. Click on it. This will bring up the couple of boot options that we have right here, and what you want to do is hold power off. This will in turn, as you can see, change into safe mode. So now you can only click on it and this will initiate a reboot. So the device will reboot, and once it's back up, it will then be in the safe mode. Now, while it's booting up, I'm going to quickly describe what safe mode is kind of used for, because it's kind of a weird mode. So during safe mode, only the pre-existing application will function, so anything that you have installed yourself from Play Store or any other means will be basically disabled from starting up, and that is so you can troubleshoot your device. So if you have some kind of problems with your phone, if it's malfunctioning or functioning in a weird way that shouldn't be happening, you can boot it into safe mode, and if it's some kind of app that was causing you problems, that app will not be able to start whatsoever during this mode. As you can see, widgets are also disabled. We have things like TikTok, which is disabled, although I don't think I even installed it, so yeah. Additionally, Facebook does come installed on the device, not sure why, but as you can see, it's now, if I clicked on it, it's now turned off, and as you can see, if you try to enable it, it says downloaded apps disabled in safe mode. Technically, I never downloaded Facebook, it just basically jams itself in here, but hey, Samsung does disable it in this mode. So even Facebook can spy on you in safe mode. So once you're done troubleshooting your device in this mode, what you can do to leave it is go back to the toggles for booting. So click again on the power key, and this time around select restart. Simply tap on it, and this will initiate a reboot of the device. Once the device is back up, it will be back in the normal mode. And there we go, as you can see, we're now back up in normal mode. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.